microwaves. Well, the best microwaves are now more affordable than before, and many brands are available in the market. Choosing the right one is a catch. Welcome to Buying Guide. In this video, you'll know about the exciting features of best microwaves at the best price. You'll find the top-notch best microwave, and so keep watching this video till the end. Without further ado, let's start. Best microwaves. So, we've chosen the best microwaves based on quality, features, performance, and price. Choose any of them that matches your considerations. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Microwaves. Let's get started!
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 1. Panasonic NNSN686S Microwave Oven. We'll begin with our first product, the Panasonic NNSN686S Microwave Oven. It has great features with good quality. Panasonic Microwave. The Panasonic Microwave Oven has a seamless stream of cooking power for even cooking and delicious flavor. With a 1200-watt high-power 1.2 cubic foot capacity, this stainless steel countertop or built-in microwave delivers a seamless and smooth cooking experience. Inverter technology. The Panasonic Microwave Oven NNSN686S stainless steel countertop or built-in Number 2. Farberware Classic FMO 11AHT BSB Oven. Then, we'll take a look at the Farberware Classic FMO 11 AHT BSB Oven for its good performance. Spacious and stylish. With its sleek contemporary black stainless steel exterior and 10 power levels, this microwave is perfect for any kitchen. With a large cooking capacity and 0.7% noise, it's perfect for anyone who keeps their home energy consumption in check. The button will read as long as 6 minutes and will heat your leftovers just a touch when you put them in the oven. With your over half recipe, you can make skin-on food like salmon or chicken. Number 3. Black + Decker EM720 CB7 Microwave Oven. Next, we'll find out what Black + Decker EM720 CB7 has to offer. It has super precision large LED digital display and whatnot. Let's figure it out. Pre-programmed buttons. This Black + Decker EM720 CB7 digital oven with turntable push-button door is perfect for cooking food or drinks in the oven to be sure your child will be safe. The large-scale oven can handle large dishes and multiple items at the same time. 700 watts with 10 power settings. The EM720 CB7 comes with a child safety lock. Number 4. Amazon Basics Microwave. The fourth item we'll review in this video is Amazon Basics Microwave. To be honest, we loved its defrost, compact size, and external dimensions capacity. Now it's easier to defrost vegetables. This Amazon Basics Microwave is small, easy to use, and goes into OWS mode so you can cook without having to look. It comes with an Eco device, quick cook voice presets, and a simplified keypad. Compact size saves counter space. The Amazon Basics has a compact size, and our included cooking time of 10 minutes is compared to other kitchens. It is similar price too. Number 5. Toshiba EM131A5C SS microwave oven. Coming to our last presentation for today's review, we're going to review the Toshiba EM131A5C SS microwave oven, which has a pre-programmed sensor and easy assembly. Check it out. Pre-programmed sensor menu. With the pre-programmed sensor menu, it will preheat the oven on eco mode or turn off sound on or off. The EM131A5C SS microwave has a wide range of cooking foods and an easy-to-care for the interior. One-touch popcorn button. The oven has an easy clean and interior.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.